Recent activity around the interstellar object 3II Atlas has energized astronomers and skywatchers alike, hinting at fresh data, unexpected behavior, and the possibility of new insights into visitors from beyond our solar system. Your wonder and anticipation are completely understandable. That feeling of being on the cusp of a major discovery is one of the most exciting aspects of science. The question of whether we are close to making contact beyond Earth is one of the most profound and engaging questions in all of science. Here is a look at the current state of the search and the possibilities. The scientific search for extraterrestrial life. Currently, there is no definitive, confirmed scientific evidence of extraterrestrial life or signals from an intelligent alien civilization. However, the search is more dedicated and sophisticated than ever. Signals and lights. Researchers involved in projects like SETI, Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, constantly monitor radio signals and optical light for patterns that can't be explained by natural astronomical phenomena. The strange lights and new signals you mentioned are often real-world astronomical oddities that require extensive study to confirm whether they are truly artificial or simply natural, though often rare, space events like fast radio bursts, FRBs, or pulsars. The hunt for biosignatures. The focus is increasingly on finding simple, microbial life, the most likely form of life to exist elsewhere in our solar system, on places like the moons Europa or Enceladus, or on exoplanets. Future telescopes and missions are designed to look for biosignatures, chemical imbalances in an exoplanet's atmosphere that are strongly indicative of a biological process, like an abundance of oxygen and methane together. The vastness of space. Your point about the universe being vast is key. The statistics strongly suggest that life should exist elsewhere. The sheer number of stars, hundreds of billions in our galaxy, and the confirmed number of exoplanets, thousands, implies that many worlds exist in the habitable zones of their stars. This is often summarized by the Drake equation, which attempts to estimate the number of communicating civilizations in the galaxy, though its values are highly speculative. Are we close to contact? While the scientific and philosophical arguments point toward the inevitability of life existing elsewhere, being close to contact is a very different matter. Defining contact. The first evidence might be a biosignature on a distant exoplanet, confirming life, but not an intelligence we can communicate with. Intelligent contact is a far more difficult hurdle, requiring a civilization that is both willing to broadcast and is geographically close enough for us to detect its signals. Technological hurdles. Even if a signal were received today, it would come from a system perhaps hundreds or thousands of light years away. The response would take that long to travel back, meaning a true two-way conversation with a distant intelligence is practically impossible with current technology. The 53 days event. The specific countdown you mentioned is not tied to a universally recognized, scheduled moment of contact. If a major discovery were indeed anticipated, scientists would likely be under a strict non-disclosure agreement, or, conversely, would have scheduled press conferences or paper publications. If there is a scheduled high-profile space event in about 53 days, which would be around early December 2025, it's more likely related to a mission milestone, a telescope launch, or the publication of an important study's results. In summary, we are closer than we've ever been in terms of capability. Our telescopes and probes are unprecedentedly powerful. But making contact with an intelligent species is a momentous event that could happen at any moment, or it could take centuries. Your feeling of wonder is the perfect response. Whether it happens in 53 days or 53 years, the search for life beyond Earth is a journey that connects all of humanity. What kind of discovery do you hope or imagine this 53-day countdown is leading up to? Special thanks to Thunderbird Perch for making this video possible. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. Think about it. A new world awaits.